Thank you, Kevin, for hosting this. Welcome, everybody. My name is Michael LeBaris. I'm the Business Development Manager with AccountMate, and I work with or speak or email Kevin almost every day. So I'm always grateful to be able to work with his end users. And without a doubt, I'll echo Joe's comments that you folks have the best AccountMate business partner in the country. So my job today is to introduce you to V2 Cloud. This is the world's fastest cloud desktop. We at AccountMate have been looking for a hosting partner for many years that would be a good fit for our customer base, and we believe we found that in V2 Cloud. We've been working with them since December of 2019, and currently we have a total of 7 active clients, of which 4 belong to Nextland. Let's see, go back here. The typical challenges that we face today are magnified by the pandemic. I think everybody would agree with that. There is momentum for the small business market moving to a remote workspace. They want to enable their remote workers. They want to have the capability of bringing their own device. There's worries about increasing security backups and compliance risk. A lot of these companies don't want a full-time IT department. A lot of it has to do with cost in that regard. And again, this has been magnified by the pandemic. So a solution would be cloud hosting desktops. There are newer high-speed internet connections that make this possible, and the performance is often better than the on-premise infrastructure that currently exists in many of these companies. There are 4 main advantages of these cloud-hosted desktops: much better security, easy and secure remote access, lesser capital investment, and the ability to reduce your IT expenses. Now, not all virtual workspaces are the same. Your first shock often is the price. Big companies like VMware and Citrix, they're not priced for small and medium business sizes. Often they require an IT department, and they're not optimized to run all applications. Many only run the standard software. But with V2, there is a solution for you. In terms of credibility, there are already over 12,000 users. G2 Crowd is a technical website which gives V2 high performance remarks. There's a 95% retention rate following trial. In other words, if you go on and try V2, 95% of the time you're going to be a customer. There are data centers that are spread across 5 different continents, so they're truly a global entity. And their leadership team has plenty of experience dealing with different applications over different technology platforms, as you see there. In terms of setup and installation, it is very easy. In fact, both us at AccountMate and V2 do the setup for you. It does not require a specialized IT group. We can build a virtual machine literally in 5 minutes. There's no configuration training required. Only basic knowledge of a computer is required, and there are setup templates to clone configurations for new users. So again, it's a combination of us here at AccountMate and V2 that helps do the setup and installation. There's no VPN required. There's no need for a VPN to connect. You can have multiple clients on one virtual machine. You can add up to 250 users on one virtual machine. You view your desktop through any web browser, whether it's Microsoft or what have you. You can make any desktop application appear as a native cloud app. So again, this is very simple to deliver. File sync and sharing. All files are kept in sync and up to date across all devices by the end users. No data resides on the end user's machine. You can redirect all your USB devices from a local computer to your cloud computer. And this is very important. You can print directly to your local printer, or you can scan a document to your cloud desktop. From a performance standpoint, and again, you can look at these metrics online when you go to their website, but you can see the comparison with other applications such as Amazon, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. V2 claims the highest speed of any cloud workspace. And again, you can look for yourself in terms of the metrics when you go to the website. Managed services. Hardware and software upgrades are performed during your non-business hours, so they're not interrupting your day-to-day business operation. It's a fully managed setup. The cloud engineers at V2 can handle the setup of your workspaces, and they will deliver an access link via your email. Let's get to the fun part, in that I'm a business development manager. In terms of pricing, subscription plans are up to 50% less than other vendors. Again, we've been shopping for a long time to have a vertical partner that can have an affordable solution for our clients. So this is very advantageous to you. There's no upfront or minimal commitment. There's month-to-month billing, and we can set this up for a single person or multiple users. And again, we do this month-to-month work along with Nextland as far as setting up the billing. So you can set it and forget it as far as the transactional costs. Pricing is automated to reduce your workforce cost. If you are outsourcing your IT organization, if you're using V2, you may want to have a second look in terms of the amount that you're investing in your IT organization. There are no extra or hidden fees for the managed services. It's 100% all-inclusive and included with the V2 cloud pricing. 24/7 support, which is free. It's included in your subscription. The capability to support is available through phone, online chat, or email. The response time is within minutes, and we have a testimonial alluding to that. And there's the ability to do remote troubleshooting. If you go on the V2 website, you can get pricing directly from them. And here I took a screenshot. If you go to the V2 website and click on pricing, you see the different plans that are available. Most of our customers are within the 5 to 9 user range, and they call this the SMB package. That price is $210 a month, and then you add $10 per user per month. You can click on these hyperlinks, and you can see the tech specs and the list of features that are included with these packages. And again, you have this ability to increase the number of users, and it will automatically refer you to the package that is recommended. Again, you can all do this all on your own. You can do it right now by going to the V2 Cloud website. And then here at the bottom, there's a comparison in terms of savings, and we can drill down into the details if you have any questions later on. But again, you see the total cost average as far as the savings are concerned. Testimonials, there's 4 of them here. Again, you can go to the website, you can click on more of them, but you can see these companies are within the small to medium business size market. But the best testimonial that I can give is a personal one, and this regards an actual client that we signed on, one of Kevin's clients. This occurred in mid-August. The client is Aspen Waste Systems. They are running AccountMate for SQL. They have 8 users, and they have 4 modules. What happened was that we got a call from Kevin on Friday the 14th. The situation was that the customer was hit with the notorious ransomware virus. So access to AccountMate or any other applications were totally down. and they had to run their payroll that following Monday. So over the weekend, myself, along with one of Nextland's technicians, were able to spin up a V2 Cloud server, get it online, send the access information to the client. In this case, this was their AP person who had to run the payroll. And they were up and running on Monday. They were able to do their payroll, and everybody was very happy. So again, this is firsthand experience in terms of being able to take care of a client who was down and was able to get up and running over the weekend. And usually this being up and running is not in terms of days, it's in hours, if at that. So we can manage this process for you. So what are the next steps? Well, again, you're working through Nextland on this. You have the ability to have a free demonstration. On the website itself, you can watch a video. You can see the competitive matrix, as I alluded to previously. Download product brochures, white papers. You can go through Kevin to request a quote. And probably most important is to get that free trial, because seeing is believing. We have AccountMate, the demo version of AccountMate already on the V2 Cloud, so that you can see real-time performance using the AccountMate application, and you can go from there. So those are the next steps that, again, you can work with Nextland and AccountMate to get your V2 Cloud up and running. We're very excited to be having V2 Cloud as a partner, and we'll look forward to more Nextland clients signing on.